We did it! I got over 100 subscribers.
Rent's due.
Hello and thank you for joining me, all 100 of you and counting. I'm sure for a lot of you common people out there, you might be wondering what it's like, the limelight, the glory. Well, it's pretty great, but that being said, I'm trying to stay humble, trying to stay true to myself. And with that in mind, I'd like to take this time to present you with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity if you act now. Cooking with Tristan has 100 loyal and valued subscribers. Now, let's say each one of those subscribers goes out and brings in 10 more valuable subscribers, which won't be hard. I mean, come on, the channel practically sells itself. If you do this, it will entitle you access to our premium platform, which brings in a whole other host of opportunities for your future. But seriously, y'all, I really appreciate all the support you've given throughout this whole process. You know, I've always loved making movies, and so it's been a lot of fun, and it's been fun to see how things have evolved along the way. Here is my little humble kitchen. It's not much, but you know, part of the sort of vision for this channel is showing you that if I can pull things off here, then you can pull them off anywhere. And of course, a great big thanks to Brian, who is responsible for breathing life into my projects. I couldn't do it without you, brother. If you like content about film, make sure you keep an eye on him because he puts a lot of good stuff out there. I'm really looking forward to the videos we have planned, so stay tuned, tell your friends, etc. We'll have some great vistas, some cozy recipes, and maybe even some more special guests, which, you know, are probably going to be people that I've worked for, just doing me a favor. But hey, that doesn't make it any less special. And to show you just how much I value the feedback I get from my viewers, I wanted to read you some of the most helpful comments I've received so far. What a clown! Hello, chef. Can you cook vegetables? If I understand that you can cook, I will become your subscriber, just like you. Just like you. Ha! Imagine I actually partied in high school with this amazing celebrity. Keep it up. Best wishes from Germany. Leo from Germany. I don't seem to remember partying with you in high school, and I think there would have been some logistical difficulties for that taking place, but I appreciate the support. If you mention Michelin star, you automatically up the ante, and if you don't live up to expectations, you will receive criticism. Why are you wearing no uniform when you are talking pro? Plus, the thump is always on top of the blade to increase pressure and not on the side. Still, a nice little show, just not Michelin. Peace! Thank you, Daily Dose of Beauty, coaching in all caps. I'll try and wear an apron, I guess, more often, if that'll do it for you. I think you showed me how to cook food for pigs. So, yeah, please keep the comments coming. And of course, we've got some shout-outs. Shout out to Cal for putting me up when I got bumped out of Denmark and for letting me use his kitchen. Shout out to Peter and his brother, who also put me up when I was in New York. Shout out to Sina for helping me film and all your support. Shout out to Camilla for lending me basically permanently her mixer. Shout out to Andre for being in my video, even though he's a very busy man. Shout out to my mom for playing piano in one of my videos. Shout out to Ian for letting me use one of his band's songs. Shout out to Daniel for all the camera gear presents and just generally being an advocate for, hey, shoot your shot. This is a big umbrella, but shout out to all my awesome former coworkers who are always quick to help me out when I have questions about recipes or technique. Chef Tristan! I still owe you a video. Shout out to public television for all the inspiration over the years, and speaking of public television, shout out to viewers like you. So thanks again. We'll see you at 1,000. Maybe if we get there, I'll agree to cut my hair. Cheers.